Hi, I'm Jennifer, and today my topic will be on globalization. So, what does it mean? According to our textbook, it refers to the shift toward a more integrated and interdependent world economy. Google Translation is the process by which businesses or other organizations develop international influence or start operating on an international scale. Pros of globalization. Those in favor of globalization would argue that it solves deep problems like unemployment and poverty. A few pros of globalization is free trade is supposed to reduce barriers such as tariffs, value-added taxes, and barriers between other nations. It also represents free trade, which promotes global economic growth, creates jobs, makes companies competitive, and lowers prices for consumers. It also provides poor countries with technology and businesses to develop economically and spreading prosperity. Labor can move from different countries to market their skills. Some cons of globalization. Those against globalization has argued that it has made the rich richer while making the poor poorer. A few cons are that globalization is supposed to eliminate barriers, but there are still countries that have added high taxes on their imports, making it impossible to penetrate certain markets. Instead of creating jobs, companies are moving their businesses overseas to lower cost countries, causing job loss. What used to be restricted, multinational corporations are now increasingly influencing political decisions. Some examples of globalization today is trade, the ability to exchange goods and services between nations. Two huge factors are telecommunication, which is the internet, and transportation infrastructure are the two most important factors of globalization. Now more than ever, it has become faster, easier, and cheaper to move products around the world. An example would be purchasing something online, perhaps from eBay, and having it delivered to your home in the US. Because of this, companies have merged communications and transportation, creating logistic chains such as NAFTA or NAFTA to eliminate tariffs on products traded.